back in Academy. Today we'll talk about kindergarten. Kindergarten is an education institution for young children.
K is the kindergarten where we come from.
Makofi tafadhali. I is for imagination. We have one more every day. Makofi kwake.
N is for numbers 1 to 3 and more.
Mpigeni makofi.
D is for 10 the best you can ever see.
Put your hands together for her.
E is for exercise that give us strength and fit.
Clap your hands.
R is for reading, you are good at that. G is for the good friend you made it a long journey.
Clap your hands.
A is for alphabet you know how to say.
Clap your hands. Clap your hands.
R is for remember everything we have learned.
Mpigeni makofi.
T for the good teacher that taught us what we know.
Msikae tu hivyo, pigeni makofi.
E is for enchantment that throughout our journeys.
Msipoe, pigeni makofi.
N is for next year as we join class 1. Maana neno kindergarten ni neno la Kijerumani linalomaanisha bustani ya watoto, children's garden. Mwanzilishi wa mfumo wa kindergarten yaani shule za awali Frederick William na Gustave Frobe mwaka 1837.